Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say here and there. So let's start by learning how to say here. Now, we previously already learned the word for here in the expression 여기요. We learned that 여기 means here and the 요 was attached to sound polite. So 여기 is the noun that means here, and it's used whenever you're talking about the location that's next to the speaker. So here. Here's an example. 빌리도 여기에 자주 와요. Billy also comes here often. Next we have 거기, and 거기 means there, as in the place that is close to the listener, not close to the speaker. Here's an example sentence with that. 저는 거기에 가고 싶어요. I want to go there. And last but not least, we have Togi, which means over there. We also learned Togi previously in the expression 저기요, 저기요, when getting a waiter or a stranger's attention. And we learned that Togi means over there, and the 요 is added to be polite. Well, Togi is used when you're talking about a location that's far from both the speaker and far from the listener. So here's an example of that. 저기에 영화관이 있어요. There is a movie theater over there. So let's do a quick review of these three. We have 여기, meaning here or somewhere that's close to the speaker. Next, 거기, there, somewhere that's close to the listener. And finally, 저기, somewhere that's far from both the speaker and the listener. And another note, whenever you're using the particle 에 with either 여기, 거기, or 저기, that particle 에 is actually completely optional. In fact, most of the time it's not used. For example, both of these sentences would be perfectly correct. 제 책이 저기에 있어요. Or 제 책이 저기 있어요. My book is over there. Using these words, let's do a short conversation practice. This is between 윤소 and 예슬. So first, 윤소 says, 저는 지금 한국에 있어요. I am now in Korea. 날씨가 정말 좋아요. The weather is really good. To which 예슬 replies, wow, 저도 거기에 가고 싶어요. I also want to go there. 여기는 날씨가 더워요. Here the weather is hot. Then 윤소 replies, 여기 와주세요. Please come here. And finally, 예슬 says, 거기가 너무 멀어요. There is too far. 지금은 제가 갈 수 없어요. I can't go now.
저는 지금 한국에 있어요. 날씨가 정말 좋아요. 와우, 저도 거기에 가고 싶어요. 여기는 날씨가 더워요. 여기 와주세요. 거기가 너무 멀어요. 지금은 제가 갈 수 없어요.
So in this lesson, we learned how to say here and there and over there. Make sure to practice all three of these words, and I'll see you guys again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐!